Okay, where was I? Where was I? I am, let's see here. That's the newly selected character. Isn't he selected? I don't even know anymore. That's his selected character. Yeah. Oh, I gotta click this one. Oh, that didn't do anything. Why not? Oh, that didn't do a damn thing. Oh, some of them got deleted. I don't understand. Okay, well, strange. I feel like that should... Oh, wait! Is it because there's already a line that exists? That updated. Good. Now, why is smooth path? Confusing. Something's going on there. But it could be just that. Yeah. Oh, wait. Could be maybe. Yeah, it's not smooth path I'm looking for. It's... Yeah, it's restore default path. Yeah, and then if I go over here and I do this, set it, draw it. Okay. If I go here, I think this guy should be selected now. Yeah, I don't need to go actually in the move. I could just have him selected. Now, what if I do one of these wild? Yeah, like that. Right? That, and then that. Whoop. That, and then... Oh, is he no longer selected? Maybe he wasn't selected. Oh, what's going on? Did I lose my... Oh, yeah, it's there. It's just underneath the grass. Okay. So, I'm updating this correctly. Very good, very good. Very good. So, let's just keep going down. Now, what I want to do is, with that updated... Now this is a weird graphical user and layout. Begin horizontal if enabled. What is this? This is a... This is a weird... This is like yeah, it's not what I want. This is like in the editor. Okay, okay, now smooth this thing. And there's only one reference to this, and it really is... Oh, it's the smooth button. Right. Now the smooth button, it could be... I remember trying to do it, and it was screwing it up because it wasn't working. I think it's because it has to do with this. It's looking at line for what it needs to do. What I need for it to do is not look at the line, but look at the, you know, something in the board view, basically, right? And the move counts of the characters or something. So let's see here. What is begin horizontal? I don't know what that even means, but enabled equals smoother dot line dot position count. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do is this. I want to take a look. If the selected unit is bigger than 3. Okay, so it'll do a smooth path. Bool, line renderer path and initial state are same. Line renderer path and initial state are same. Oh, I see. So, oh, I see. So it's looking, hey, if your line position count. Okay, so all I'll do here is I'll just do this again. This is what it's checking. Right? That's what it's checking. If line renderer path. Okay, so this here. So are they the same? Is my line, is this the same length as this? If yes, vector.positions. All right, we'll do this again. For some reason, I thought we already did that at the top, but we're doing it again. And we're doing the get position thing again. So what I'll do, so I feel like we're doing this all over again for some reason. Get positions is oh, well, that's an actual line renderer function. And position is really just a vector 3. Smoother that line. Let me see something. Right. Smoother that line. That get okay. So whoops. Shoot, now I'm going to be lost. Is it here? Yes, it is here. Okay. I don't know what it's trying to do here. It's getting the positions of the line. But where is it putting it? Oh, it's putting it in positions. So what I'll do is I'll do this again. And I'll do this, and I'll do this, and I'll do this. Ooh, okay. Excuse me. Line renderer path are the same equals positions dot sequence equal IEnumerable. Interesting. I've never seen this before. Can I F12 that? Whoa. Never done that. Okay, well that's probably fine, whatever it's doing, because it's a vector 3 thing. So it's, and this is good. Okay. 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 All right. So this here. Oh, jeez. Now, what I don't like about this part at all, even I'd say, is it's modifying this to equal this. Oh, it's to restore the default. Yeah, I don't think I need that. Because I don't want to, this would be the data. If this is the data, it would equal the visual. I don't want to make the visual up. This is not what I want at all. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do restore default GUI. It could be interesting if only for my testing purposes, but I will not update this. Okay, and horizontal, apply modified properties. What the heck is this? Applied modified properties. There's nothing that does that. It's just a serialized thing. Okay. Now smooth path, smoother.line.position count. Shit, it's doing it again, isn't it? Smoother.line.position count. Equals curves.length times smoothing sections. So here's the problem I'm having with this again now. This is the same problem as this that I didn't want to update, because what's happening now is this is going to be up, and I've been pulling this information. This here is the move sequence on the character, and it's saying, hey, okay, now I want you to update how many counts are on the move sequence. No, that data should not be changed at all. That's what everything else is kind of working around with. Here is the same thing. It wants to take that character movement sequence and say, well, now you equal to this. But I don't want it to do that. Now for this though, I understand what it's trying to do is it wants to give it more points. Because now it wants to draw not the direct line, it wants to draw more because it's smooth. And before I was drawing the direct line using those points on this path. But now I need to create a new sequence. And that sequence is going to be the smooth line. And that smooth line is going to use, you know, from its source is going to be the character's movement sequence. But we're not going to override the character's movement sequence. So, that being said, I'm going to go smoother line position count. Is going to be a new, let's go to here. I'm going to do a new public vector3, and it's going to be a new thing like this, and it's going to be called it's going to be called the smooth line positions. Smooth line positions equals oh, I can't, can I? I'll just do new vector 3 for now. And I will keep that in mind. Shit, I have to define it. We'll do 0 for now, and we'll see. Because that's an int. Uh-huh. Interesting. I'm thinking. What if I don't do this here? Can I? I've never done this before, but what if I do? This might not work. Smoother equals new vector, excuse me, 3 Will that work? Right? Can I do that? I have no idea. Because instead of saying here, I'm making a new, I'm putting this part of creating a new one in another one, which is right here. So let's go ahead and move forward with that. Curves.length vector 3 segments equals curves.I get segments. Smoothing section. Okay, that's fine. For now, we're going into another loop. Okay. Smoother dot, here we go. Oh, set positions. Interesting. So here what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go. Now, set position is definitely a line renderer thing, right? Yes. What I'm going to want to do here is this. The initial state is what I want to do here. Or is the initial state is a bad idea, isn't it? Yeah, no, it's this. The smooth line position, right? And it's going to be, the index is going to be I equals segments.j. I think that's what it is. Let's keep going. Smoothing sections equals in value of reset value so inspector doesn't freeze if you use a lot. Okay, yeah. Okay, so that right there should be pretty darn good, I think. Now, smooth path. Gosh, there's still a lot going on in this script, isn't there? On scene GUI. Alrighty. If position count. So the line position count, it should just be this. And just count is fine. Or length. Yeah, that'll be fine. Alrighty, this is the wild one here. Curves.length. Okay, so let's go ahead and we're gonna go through each one of these. We're gonna go smoother, right? And we're gonna go like this. Last position. So I do feel this could be completely so wrong right now. But I'm gonna do this. And this would be I minus 1. Smooth line position, or I can't tell if I should be doing that as well. There aren't that much +1. See, I'm not sure if it should be the smooth line position or the what was the first one? Default one there. The other one that exists. Anyways, there's another list. I can't see it right now there, but there's another one. I don't see anything else that needs to be refactored there. Okay, let's see what this one is. Draw segments. Okay, I don't see anything that needs to be refactored there. Oh, here. If curves. So this one here is going to be this dot length minus 1. And same thing here. So let's see. I just did a bunch of shit. I haven't tested in a while. Let's go see what happens. I'm gonna move outside of where the grass is because it'll help me see it better. Right? Oh, this doesn't look like it's working. Overflow, smooth editor. Well, the smooth thing is not. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think it works. And it's a little bit too complicated for me to. Ooh, 114. Oh, it's when I'm in here. Something's going on. Positions. In the line renderer. This one here. It's just not having it. Okay. Overflow exception there. And wait, is it the same? It's really this one here. The last line I did. If curves equals null or curves.length does not equal overflow. Ensure curves match line renderer. I don't really know how curves are working. No. Line renderer is not having it. So what if I do one of these bits? Just ignore the changes here. Yeah, still a bunch of errors. Okay. So I ignored this one. I don't think we did anything there. Here we did some changes. Here's where it's not happy. Something about here is not making it happy. Oh. I'm using editor stuff, but I'm checking for game. Checking if the game data. Well, that's silly, isn't it? What's in this entire thing? What does it do? I don't know. Am I doing any other battle controller stuff? Oh my god, it's everywhere. Shit, it's everywhere, isn't it? That's so silly. Okay, well, hold on, let me think. What if I just hit play? Will it play? No. Oh, it will play. Okay, good. Now if I go back to Spline. Ooh, it's really messy. And something is being upset. Okay, well I know what the problem is because this thing is reading data that it doesn't have access to because it's editor stuff. And the editor needs to be running in order for those values to be populated. And I'm not much of a person who makes editor scripts, so how I would structure this is a little bit beyond me. Like, I don't have a go-to. So my my default kind of wanting to do something is just to scrap the whole editor part now and just set it up for it to work on runtime. But I do need to learn the editor stuff at some point, but I'm not going to do that now. It will make it harder to debug, though. Because if it doesn't work, I won't know what to fix. Or, you know, just in general, I like the idea of being able to push a button like I was doing earlier to see the results. It was really convenient. Editor layout. Let me just see something real quick here. On enable, right. Update initial state GUI content. Okay. This is really an editor script. There's very little to do. Wow, I might have to take all this out and put it right in here. Ugh. I'm gonna take a break.